Breaking news from the Premier League. Nottingham Forest striker Taiwo Awoniyi has been placed in an induced coma following a horrific collision with the goalpost during his team's match against Leicester City. The 27-year-old Nigerian forward suffered the injury in the final moments of the game, attempting to score a late goal. Despite the painful impact, Awoniyi continued playing, as Nottingham Forest had already used all available substitutions. However, after the match, his condition worsened. Awoniyi was rushed to the hospital and underwent emergency abdominal surgery. Doctors have now confirmed that he has been placed in a medically induced coma to support his recovery and stabilize his heart rate. The incident has sparked outrage among fans and concern from club officials. Nottingham Forest owner Evangelos Marinakis was seen storming the pitch after the final whistle,